Hello my hooping friends. Today I want to show you how to put an image, embroidery image, let's say in the center of your block that you're making for a quilt or for whatever, and you want to stipple around that image to give it a quilting effect. So let's go ahead and go to embroidery, and I'm going to go to Kids Corner, and we're going to pick this teddy bear here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit set. And at this point, I'm going to go up to Edit. And if you look right here, you'll see a little stippling symbol. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And now you can see that it's going to put this stippling all the way around it. And what I want to do is I want to put in my hoop size. And for this example, we'll use a 9.5 by 9.5. And so this next setting that you see here says distance. So that is going to be the distance, how far the stippling is going to be away from the edge of your embroidery pattern. So at 0, it's going to be right on the edge. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it up, and as I hold it, you might be able to see it getting away from it. So I take it up 40 thousandths or so. Alright, now this spacing here is the spacing that's in between all of these. So if you like it real tight, you can leave it where it's at. I'll show you what that looks like. You hit preview. So you can see how tight everything is right there. But if you don't like that and you want something so it's not so tight, you just go ahead and hit this. We'll go at 400 and we'll preview it again. And as you can see, it's getting bigger. And you can see that we're not real close to the embroidered image there. Yeah, if you're happy with that, click OK. Hit embroidery, and away you go. Hope that helps, and we'll see you guys later.